Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So much love. Hashtag SML. Hope all are safe. Basically, I haven't done any makeup on me, so I went on Likita to Likita. Only if it turns out good, I'll try it on me. If you haven't watched our first video, check our description box. So here she is. Come.
Hi. It is safe today, guys. Please pray for me. I don't know.
It will be safe, obviously, because I'm trying for the first time. So this is our makeup kit, whole makeup kit. So I don't know what and where should we need to use, where we need to apply all this makeups. So let's get started. The first thing, I'm applying the primer on a face. I'm taking a little bit. It's like a gel consistency.
I'm so tense right now. My heart's beating like 100 speed, guys.
She has two foundations. This look very cute, so I want to try this. So this one is Lakme 925 weightless mouse foundation. So it's 02 Beach Vanilla. So let's start.
Okay. So how much are you going to use?
I'll use this whole thing. I'll use whole thing on your face.
No.
It's very good.
No.
I think this much will be enough. I don't know. Let's see. If it's not enough, we'll put again.
Okay. Use whole bottle, no?
No, yeah. After that, you need to use. So we have one brush, and this is spongy type. I don't know. It's very dirty also.
It's called beauty blender.
Something. I don't know. So I want to try with the both things. One side I'll use this. One side I'll use brush.
Now I'm thinking twice why I have let her do this thing on me.
So she has a rose water. She has prepared herself. So let's get started.
I'm super scared right now, guys.
How to apply? Okay. What is this saying? How much I have to tap, Ray? I'm unable to tap, man.
Blend into the...
Okay, I'm unable to blend or tap something.
Okay, so she's right now blending. Hey, I have a moustache here, man. Are you going to read that? I feel like I'm getting a free massage right now on my face.
See the outfit? How it looks? I'm using a concealer. It's a Maybelline one. And a shade, it's a 10 shade. Okay, so I'm using this brush.
So when did you see your first makeup? Like when did you start?
Mostly I'll see makeup videos. I haven't experiment on someone or myself.
So you're not putting anything on my neck?
Oh, I have to put on neck also. I have to do on neck also,
I
right?
think this will be fair and this will be all colorful. How it will
Okay.
See, I look like a chimpanzee right now. Okay. Upgrade, guys. Upgrade.
Okay.
This is how you do the makeup. Okay. Quick tip. We don't drag it. We pat it. That's blending.
Oh.
Okay. I'm getting a free massage. Free massage from Mahi. Okay, she is using concealer on my neck. If anyone doesn't know how to do makeup, learn from her, guys. She's using concealer on neck.
Because it's dark, then this. That's all.
Okay, so these are not blending. She is using rose water on the brush, and
I'll blend it. Okay.
then she's trying to blend it. Bro, you're washing my neck, bro.
No, bro. See, I'm blending it. See?
It's blending?
Yeah. See, it's blending.
I see one dot here.
Here. Okay.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Now everything is equal.
I'm a model, you guys know. I should be giving a 4.
So she have two bags. One is Maybelline Nudes and one is Beauty Glads. So I want to take a color. This is a
Beautiful
beautiful
palette, guys.
palette.
It has many colors. Which one are you trying on me now?
Let's try. I'm seeing this also. We have nice colors in these also. See,
Yeah, so these are the nudes.
nude colors.
And this is the like very bright colors. The
Um,
pigment is really nice. You can see that.
So most of the things she has used, but not totally. So I'm thinking whether we can use this shape.
Is something colorful, no?
You need colorful one.
Yeah, I want something colorful.
So shall we use purple?
I don't know. You pick. I ask colors.
Okay. This shine purple one. This is it's shine. It's getting some shine. So catch this.
Have become a table.
Yes. Oh God. Oh my God.
Is it dark? Is it light? It's not applying.
No, I'm unable to apply this.
Just so you know, you can use your fingers also.
We can use our fingers also.
Yeah, it's your wish. It's your makeup, right? You are trying it.
So I'll use my fingers. It's better to use my fingers. I'm unable to do with brushes, so I'm using my fingers to blend her eyes.
I look like
Cha cha
Betal.
cha.
I don't know. You try it. I don't know. It looks good. I think you need to blend this more.
This one.
Yeah, and this is short and this is like.
So I should blend this more.
Yeah, no, blend it more. I'll give you a prize if this turns out right.
Yeah. What price? I need party. I don't need any price.
What part do you want?
Pizza. Pizza party.
Okay, if it turns out right, if it turns out really good, then for sure I'll give you a party.
Okay. Done. So
I know
want.
it won't turn out right.
So I want to shine here. I want to make it some shine.
Okay.
So which will be good? I think
Okay, she's using yellow.
yeah, yellow gold shade.
You guys don't know the combinations, guys. Yellow and purple is very pretty.
Yeah, of course.
See how much color sense she has.
So I'm using my hands because I don't know the brushes how to use properly. So I'm using my hands. Close your eyes.
Is it getting applied?
Yes, obviously.
Oh
See?
my god. Usually whenever I use
So I'm using an eyebrow pencil.
Oh my god. Okay.
It's from Dazzler.
Okay.
I don't know how you put eyebrows.
Oh my god. Oh my,
I don't know.
oh my god.
This is eyebrow pencil only, no?
After doing one full brow, she has got a doubt that whether this is an eyebrow pencil. Yes, this is an eyebrow.
Okay, because it's very hard.
It's actually an eyeliner. People use it to, line your brows also.
Okay, is it okay or
Okay, I think you need to brush it, bro. Oh, we have got an extra brow there. Okay, she found the brush.
I found a brush. Very cute little brush.
Okay, is it blending in?
Yeah, it's somewhat.
Somewhat. Listen, guys, listen. It's somewhat blending in. Don't get scared after watching my eyebrow shapes.
Okay. So what is this? It's an eyebrow pencil.
And this is eyebrow.
Let's try this also.
Yeah, this is up.
Yeah.
Okay. This is fun.
Finally, I find a liner. It's Lakme Absolute Shine Line. See, sorry. Close your eyes.
You can open it now?
Yeah, you can. It's already. The mascara here. It's from Maybelline, New York. So I wanna try this.
Okay, do you want me to open my eyes or close my eyes?
You need to do like this.
Like this?
She need to do like this.
Like this. Okay, done. I'm doing it.
Not continuously. First I put this.
Okay, I'm scared.
Don't worry. I'm only doing makeup. Okay. So I'm using a loose powder here. It's from Maybelline, New York. Fit me. So I'll fit you.
Try picking it up. Show them how much product. So there's this much product in the box. Okay, she's removing the excess from the brush, guys. First time user and she's removing the excess. What it?
Excess.
Where did you see this hack?
What was that?
Now you are putting the loose powder under my eyes, right?
Yeah, mostly they will do that only, right?
So most of this is from YouTube and Insta Reels. Oh my god.
One more duplicate part. Yeah, duplicate part.
Duplicate Likita, guys.
Duplicate
Remember,
Likita.
Likita never wastes makeup.
Oh, okay. Is it?
But
okay?
it does look good, you know. It's like clean base, even though there's a difference in the shade.
Lip balm.
That's a great step.
As she has a purple shade, I'm using this one.
Boy, oh yeah, abre que es lo mismo, boy, oh yeah, abre que es lo mismo, Igor y Rosa de la tu carta, abre que es lo mismo, Igor y Rosa de la tu carta, abre que es lo mismo,
Rather than brush, I'm using my hands mostly because I don't know how to use brushes. So I'm not comfortable with brushes.
No
I'm
one
using-
uses brushes for lipsticks.
No, for the excess. I'm removing the excess lipstick. Okay.
My lip shape looks like this and then this.
So we have two colors in this.
Okay, we do this for blush, guys.
I know this.
We do it for bronzing.
Oh. Oh, for the bronzing also. I think I cannot see the lighter one, so I want to put a darker one again.
Now I'm able to see some color on
I
it.
want to use this. It's from Sugar. It's a Counter D4's mini bronzer. 01.
So I see she knows the steps, but she don't know how to blend.
Because I see videos, right? Here something we'll keep, right? What is that?
I don't know. You guess.
Concealer?
I don't know. No, don't ask me. It's a
Again, New York concealer. Again, it's 10. Again. So I'm taking a bit here.
I look like Avatar. You don't put concealer after you set
Okay.
your face.
So before I should keep it.
Yeah.
Okay.
First concealer, bronzer, then you put the powder. Done.
Sharp nose? Yes, very sharp. I'm using a highlighter here. It's from Maybelline New York. Master.
But I do look like.
You're already a hot.
That's crazy, calm. Okay, she's moving it more. Oh, okay. Don't ask me where to put the highlighter. I don't know. You picked it.
Oh my god. I think you are. So, this is my makeup. So, she'll be coming with her outfit. So, we'll see how she looks. So, this is the final look, guys. So, comment below how it looks. So, Likita, what is the best part you loved?
I like the highlighter. You see, it's like crazy shining. The blending part, you see, it's like diving into my nose. So, but still, those both are like my favorite.
So, how did you do your makeup and was it good?
It was good for the first time user. It's good. I like it overall. There's small corrections, but I liked it.
So next time you wanna try again?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No. See what I've gone through for this, guys.
But it's look good.
Yes, it is looking.
Yeah.
So that's it for today, guys. Do like,
Share and comment below.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click bell icon for more updates.
That's it. See you soon.
Bye bye.